Finally, Vivo today launched Vivo X50 series in China. Let's see unboxing and talk about the specification and camera performance of Vivo X50 series. Let's start with unboxing. You can see in the box that you get a mobile phone, some guides, charger. Vivo X50 Pro is completely impressive by design. You get a quad camera setup at back and the camera bump protrudes upward and is reminiscent of the Galaxy S20 Ultra. In front you get a single hole punch at the top left side of phone. Right side of the phone you get power lock and unlock button and volume up and down button, and left side of the phone you get a SIM slot. A single microphone and 5G professional photographer are written at the top. At bottom you get a speaker grill and charging port. Vivo X50 Pro have a larger 6.56-inch AMOLED display which will be a hole punch in the top left side of the display. Vivo X50 Pro also have high refresh rate of 90 HD and support HDR10+ also, and while the resolution will have 2376 x 1080. Vivo X50 Pro have large battery that provide 1-day battery backup for a heavy user. Vivo X50 Pro have latest processor from Snapdragon, that is Snapdragon 765G, LPDDR4x plus dual channel UFS 2.1. Now coming to the camera, Vivo X50 Pro is the first phone in the industry to have gimbal cameras like the eyes. But before talking about the camera setup, we get to know a little more about the gimbal camera. Vivo gimbal-like structure into this camera, so that it achieves optical stabilization in the front, back and left-right inclined directions with enhanced performance. This design was actually inspired by the chameleon's eyeball, which steadily rotates in a way that helps the reptile lock onto its prey. Think of it as OIS, optical image stabilization, on steroids, if you want, with Vivo's lab tests claiming that compared to the traditional OIS, this implementation extends the stabilization angle by 200%. Vivo X50 Pro camera setup is 48MP main camera, IMX598, f1.6, micro cloud platform, plus 8MP ultra wide angle, HI846, plus 8MP periscope telephoto, OV08A10, 5X, plus 13MP portrait, S5K3L6, 2X, while front camera setup is 32MP, S5KGD1. Let's see some photos and video that are shoot by Vivo X50 Pro and also compare with some other mobile phone that are categorized in same price range. See the video and no doubt the image stabilization of Vivo X50 Pro video is totally beyond the think, and also see the comparison video. The battery capacity of Vivo X50 4200 mAh with 33W fast charger thickness is 7.49 mm and weight is 173 g, while Vivo X50 Pro battery capacity is 4315 mAh, thickness is 8.05 mm and weight is 181.5 g. The color options is liquid oxygen, lightweight, black mirror and gravity. The Vivo X50 series is officially released. Vivo X50, 8GB, 128GB 3,498 yen. 8GB, 256GB 3,898 yen. On sale on June 6. Vivo X50 Pro, 8GB, 128GB 4,298 yen. 8GB, 256GB 4,698 yen. On sale on June 12. Vivo X50 Pro Plus, 8GB, 128GB 4,998 yen. 8GB, 256G 5,498 yen. 12GB 256G 5,998 yen. On sale in July.